So, I will admit this is a little bit of an interesting video. Um, I want to take an IQ test. Um, any IQ test. 1, 2, 3 test. That's fine. And the reason why I want to take an IQ test is because I've taken an IQ test before. I think I got like 126 or something of that nature. And I took this IQ test about a year ago, and I want to take another one to essentially see where I'm at. And I thought it'd be a fun little video. I'm probably not going to talk very much during it because I'm going to be trying to think. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. I don't remember which one I took, the culture fair or the classical. Um, Now why would I do the uh culture fair? And why is that the only one that's certified? Because I would want to do whichever one's just the basic IQ test. I don't really, you know. Compare your IQ with fellow citizens in other countries. Compare your IQ with hundreds of thousands of serious test takers. I think I'm more inclined to take this one. Which answer expresses the meaning of the specified word best? Reassuring. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. Out of all the stamp collectors, none of them are architects. All the drones are stamp collectors, which means the drones are not architects and architects are not drones. No stamp collectors are drones. Let's see, none of the stamp collectors is an architect. All the drones are stamp collectors. Um, well, it's telling us all the drones are stamp collectors. Some, sure. I mean, it's saying it's absolute certainty. All stamp collectors are architects. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. All the drones are stamp collectors. We can't conclude that then all stamp collectors are architects, especially when it says none of the stamp collectors is an architect. It looks like one on the side up here, boom, four at the top, So we're gonna go boom, one at the side, one at the side. Sorry, incorrect. One at the side, one here, four here, seven on top. One here, four here, seven on top. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. That's a guess. Meaning opposite. Tough. I would say tender. I don't know if I'd say cowardly. That would be like brave. Cowardly. I would say tender. Water is to a pipe as electricity is to a wire, right? Something that flows through the medium that it's inside of. Which of the following is the best fitting for the specified word? Displeasure is best fitting. Displeasure, um, displeasure, complaint. I don't know if I would say futile. Discord, displeasure. If you're displeased with something, you're likely to complain about it. I don't. The best fit, not injustice. Displeasure and injustice. Injustice is like wrongdoing. Displeasure is how I feel about something. I can feel displeasure towards an injustice. Complaint, futile. Futile means like don't even, don't even try. Resistance is futile. Like your efforts are meaningless. Sin? I wouldn't say sin. Discord, I wouldn't say that either. They're about to say I'm dumb as shit. Ah, okay. You have answered 10 of the 10 questions correctly. Okay. I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot, guys. Okay, so this indicates an IQ score of 125 or more. That equals a university education level. In principle, you do not have to be concerned that you will get a very low score on a comprehensive IQ test. 125 or more. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so I can reason decently well. Uh, this is probably why I chose um, software engineering as the career path. But okay, so but as nice as this makes me feel, where is the whole test? I'm trying to look. Am I still recording? Okay, make sure OBS is good. Where is the save? Keep your result. Well, no. I mean, you. Oh, this was a free test. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Yeah, let's take the whole thing. Purchase a ticket to take the test. I want to take it like online, like right now though. I'm not gonna go to fucking um let me go ahead and pay for this. I'm quite curious. Quite curious.